Today we are going to replace transmission oil on Lincoln. Under the vehicle, open the transmission plug and they drain the transmission oil first, and then come to under the hood and open the filter cover. There are two bolts to open the filter cover. Remove both bolts and remove the filter cover first, and then under the filter cover you will see the refill plug there. Here you go, this is the refill plug. Refill from here. When you refill, you need a special tool to open the plug. I will show you now how to open the plug on a special tool. Here you go, it's out. Now time to refill the transmission oil.
Yeah, let's see now.